Nalalaman niyo po ba kung ano
Tao
o
yan.
saan yung Laod firing range?
Doon ako napapractice magbaril para pumatay ng tao.
Thank you. Nagpa-practice po kayong bumaril
Oo.
para pumatay ng tao. And alam niyo din po ba yung Laod Quarry?
Hindi ko na negosyo yan, ma'am. Yung firing range, no?
But at least you are aware that Laod firing range is situated in the Laod Quarry, within the premises and compound of Laod Quarry.
Siguro.
Tama po
Within
ba
the
yun?
premises of a quarry, there is a firing range.
Do you
should
confirm
be-
that, Mr. President?
That should be the question.
Do you know Ben Laod?
Yes, I think so.
Who is Ben Laod?
Si policeman.
He's a policeman.
He owns the land
He owns the land.
where the firing range is located.
And do you remember, Mr. President, that the CHR, during the time of the former chairman, Laila de Lima, investigated and inspected this Laod Quarry, where they were able to discover human bones